Physical fitness is important. A person will have to be in good physical shape in order to perform Hajj properly. Hajj is a journey in which a person will walk a great deal. So, if you have a chance, whether you have come early to the sacred lands or whether you will be from the pilgrims that arrive in the last days, I rigorously emphasize, advise all pilgrims to walk 3 or 4 miles a day, every day for at least a month before Hajj, in order to be physically fit enough to not be overwhelmed mentally and spiritually by your physical fatigue, but to be able to focus mentally and spiritually on the task at hand because the body is able to carry you. A person will walk during their tawaf, a person will walk during their sa'i, a person will walk between Muzdalifah and Mina, from Mina to the Jamarat, from Mina to the Masjid al-Haram. A person will have to walk sometimes when their transportation doesn't work. If you're not in shape and you're not able to walk properly, you will not do well. This is a concept. The mind, the body, and the spirit are all linked together. If any one of those three is sinking, it's going to drag the other two down. So let a person walk and know that walking, sacred walking, is a part of our tradition. It itself is an act of worship, an act of remembrance of Allah Ta'ala when performed properly. So practice walking, not just any walking, but the walking that will make your stamina grow physically and that will spiritually connect you with the task at hand. May Allah Ta'ala accept.